Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Blackhead All Kill is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone battling stubborn blackheads and enlarged pores, promising a clear and smooth complexion with consistent use. This innovative product aims to tackle the root causes of blackheads, from excess sebum production to dead skin cell buildup, offering a comprehensive approach to achieving visibly refined skin texture and a radiant glow. Get ready to discover how this game-changing formula can transform your skincare routine and leave you with the confidence of flawless-looking skin, free from the frustration of persistent blemishes. Number 5. QRxLabs Glycolic Acid 20% Resurfacing Pads. Introducing our powerful resurfacing pads, designed to gently exfoliate your skin. Experience a smoother texture and a more radiant complexion with every use. These pads effectively reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Achieve a more youthful look by incorporating them into your daily routine. Struggling with breakouts? Our formula helps treat and clear acne, preventing future blemishes. Keep your skin clear and healthy. Don't limit the benefits to just your face. These versatile pads can be used on both your face and body for overall skin improvement. Enjoy the benefits of daily exfoliation with ultimate convenience. Simply swipe a pad across your skin for a quick and effective treatment. Each jar contains 50 pads, providing a generous supply for consistent skincare. Get ready for visibly improved skin. What we like? This offers a potent yet gentle exfoliation. It's ideal for those looking to smooth skin texture and minimize the appearance of fine lines. If you want a product that works on both your face and body for a comprehensive resurfacing, this is a great choice. What people say. My skin is clearer and has a glow the next morning when I use this product consistently. It has not helped shrink my pores but has evened out my skin tone. It seems to brighten my complexion. 3 weeks into using twice a day, all of my breakouts are gone and my skin glows as if I've just had a professional facial. They have visibly reduced his blackheads and whiteheads, especially around his nose. Number 4. MENOLY 10 PCS Pimple Popper Toolkit. Tired of stubborn blemishes? Discover the ultimate solution for clear skin with our comprehensive 10-piece toolkit. Effectively tackle blackheads, zits, and comedones with precision-engineered tools. Achieve a smoother complexion with ease. Designed for safe and gentle use, these extractors help you manage acne without causing further irritation. It's perfect for your face and nose. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, each tool is built to last. They ensure hygienic and effective blemish treatment every time. Keep your tools organized and protected with the included premium leather case. It's ideal for storage at home or on the go. Invest in your skin's health and confidence. This kit provides everything you need for a refined and radiant appearance. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides a variety of tools for targeted extraction. It's perfect for individuals who prefer a hands-on approach to managing blackheads and pimples. If you're looking for a complete set to tackle various blemishes with precision, this is the solution. What people say. The variety and quality of the instruments are really great. Plus I love the little zippered case. 10 different tools for precise blackhead and whitehead removal, all neatly stored in a leather bag. Works great and feels professional, perfect for at-home skincare. A tool for every need. Nice case. Number 3. Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Original. Introducing the Mighty Patch Original from Hero Cosmetics. It's the #1 hydrocolloid patch designed to tackle your acne. Experience the power of these patches to shrink pimples and whiteheads effectively. You can see a difference in just one use. These are perfect for nighttime use as spot treatment stickers for your face. They work while you sleep to help clear your skin. Made with gentle yet effective hydrocolloid, they absorb impurities and protect your skin. It's a simple way to manage breakouts. Each pack comes with 36 patches, ensuring you have plenty on hand. Keep your skin clear and confident with this essential acne solution. What we like? These patches are designed for rapid zit reduction overnight. They utilize advanced hydrocolloid technology to absorb gunk and protect the spot. If you need a discreet and effective solution for overnight pimple treatment, these are an excellent option. What people say. The patches work remarkably well overnight, drawing out impurities and reducing the size and inflammation of pimples by morning. The clear design makes them virtually invisible during wear, so I can use them during the day without feeling self-conscious. The patches stick securely without being painful to remove, and they genuinely speed up the healing process compared to leaving breakouts untreated. Number 2. PAULA'S Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Tired of enlarged pores and stubborn blackheads? Discover a revolutionary exfoliant designed to refine your skin's texture and reveal a clearer complexion. Harnessing the power of 2% salicylic acid, this potent formula penetrates deep into pores. It effectively dissolves impurities and smooths away dead skin cells for a revitalized look. Say goodbye to visible pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. This targeted treatment works to minimize their appearance, leaving your skin looking visibly smoother and younger. Formulated for blackhead-prone skin, it offers a gentle yet powerful solution. Experience a noticeable improvement in skin clarity without irritation. Enjoy the benefits of a fragrance-free formula that respects your skin. It's suitable for even the most sensitive complexions, providing comfort and efficacy. Embrace the journey to skin perfection with this essential facial polish. It's the key to unlocking a smoother, more radiant, and refined appearance. What we like. This liquid exfoliant deeply penetrates pores to clear congestion. It's specifically formulated for those struggling with enlarged pores and blackhead-prone skin. If you prefer a leave-on treatment that refines pores and smooths skin without fragrance, this is a top contender. What people say. The blackhead remover is very effective and easy to use. It comes with multiple suction heads for different areas of the face. The device has adjustable suction levels to suit your skin type. Number 1. New York Biology Dead Sea Mud Mask. Discover the luxury of a spa treatment in the comfort of your own home. Our mask offers a professional-grade pore refining experience. This powerful formula is designed to deeply cleanse and unclog pores. It works to refine your skin's texture for a noticeably healthier complexion. Crafted with natural ingredients, it's suitable for both women and men. Enjoy the benefits of pure, effective skincare. Feel your skin become firmer and more toned with each use. It helps to tighten the skin, promoting a more youthful appearance. This versatile mask isn't just for your face. It provides a revitalizing treatment for your entire body, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. You'll love the generous size, ensuring you have plenty for regular use. Enjoy long-lasting benefits for your skin. What we like. This mask offers a deep, spa-quality cleanse for your pores. It's made with natural Dead Sea mud, perfect for purifying oily skin. If you're seeking a natural way to tighten skin and achieve a healthier complexion, this mask is an excellent choice. What people say. Thin consistency that is easy to apply and rinse off. Nice cooling sensation when applied. My skin felt clean and soft. The lavender scent is very pleasant and relaxing. My complexion is so much brighter, skin tone is more even, and I do not have to use my blackhead removing tool at all. It does not dry out my skin like some skin mud type masks can do. It left my skin feeling soft and clean. No irritation for me. It was easy to slap the mask on and wait a few minutes and remove it. It's not too sticky and hard to remove, and that is the best part. It left my skin glowing and feeling pampered. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.